Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Welcome geniuses. In today's video, let's talk about fractions multiply and divide. Now in one of the previous videos, we already covered how to deal with the plus and minus of fractions, and then in another video we saw the MBB way and the formal way of doing plus and minus with fractions. So in today's video, let's talk about multiply and divide. Now, as you can see, multiply is the simplest operation for fraction because all you need to do is just straight multiply, right? No need to do anything else. So for example, 2 times 5 will be 10 and 7 times 6 will be 42. That's it. That is all you have to do in fraction. Now at the end you can simplify it. For example, I know 10 and 42 both can be divided by 2. So when we divide 10 by 2 we get a 5, and when we divide 42 by 10 we can get a 21. So this will be the final reduced answer or the simplified form of the answer. 10 by 42 is not entirely wrong, but 5 over 21 is the answer that you should be gunning for. Okay, now this is the form of simplification that we did discuss in one of the previous videos, so please check that out. Now let's do the divide. Now divide has a quick trick. You just have like one more step than multiply and you can divide it very simply. So let me show you. All you have to do is flip the second number or inverse the second fraction, and let me show you how. So 2 over 7 and you inverse this. Okay, what this means is that it becomes 14 over 1 and the sign changes to multiply. That's it, and then you can solve it. So 2 times 14 is 28 over 7, and if you follow the simplification process, your answer should be 4 over 1 or just 4. Okay, let's look at a few more examples just to clarify any irrelevant or concept that can be here. So while I clear it, take your notepads out and do with me, right? So if I have a number, let's say 2 times let's say 5 over 6, same, what will we do? Oh, sometimes people say, oh, we should multiply this 2 with this 5 and also with this 6. That's wrong. When there is no number at the bottom, which is at the denominator, you can assume the denominator to be 1 and then just straight multiply. So even without writing this denominator, you know the denominator is 1. So 6 times 1 will be 6, 2 times 5 will be 10, right? And then when you simplify it, it will be 5 over 3. We could do this here itself. 2 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 6. So the answer is 5 over 3. Whichever way you do it, it's perfect. Okay, and similarly you will also have divides. So for example, let's say let's do it the other way. 5 over 6 divided by 2. Okay, now if you remember, we changed this sign to multiply. We flip this fraction, so it becomes 1 over 2 because the 2 goes to the bottom and there is nothing, so I put 1 there, and then 5 over 6, and then I just multiply them, right? So it becomes 5 over 12. That's it. That's how you deal with multiply and divide. If you want to know more, please put it on the comments and we will try to solve it together. Easy, right?
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.